how you can get a deal of Namecheap. Now, as you can see right here, Namecheap is an domain name register and app hosting company. Now you can just get a lot of discounts in it by the method I teach you. So first, what you'll need to do is go to coupon code in. Now, after you go to coupon code in, let it load, and after it does, go to its search bar and search for Namecheap. Now, while it searches for that, let us just see and open the Namecheap website. Now, as you can see, it's loaded, and there you can see up to 77, 65, 41% off. And yeah, that is now all the sales. I mean all the discounts. Now you can see there are discounts even in Namecheap right here. Now if you scroll down a bit, you will see up to 97% off. Now it depends on what your needs are, but if you go right here, you can see it's the same thing with this. You can get 7% off shared web hosting Namecheap promo code, and just get the code, guys, and you can use the code to get a lot of discounts in Namecheap. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you get discount in Namecheap. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye bye, take care.